Now let's proceed with residual payments. To explain you the residual payments, let me create an open item with the amount of 9,000. To create it, I'll use the T code, that is F-02. The journal entry which I'll be doing is the same, that is salary account debit and provisions of salary account credit. Since you're already aware of the creation process, I'll just fast forward it, okay? Document 52 has been created with the amount of 9,000. Click on New Session button and this will generate a new session. Here, enter the T code, that is FBL3N in command field and just hit enter. Enter the GL account as 10001, that is 1 followed by 3 zeros and 1. That is actually the provisions of salary account. And then you have to enter your salary account, that is 30,000, and then enter the company code as ABCC and select all items radio button. Just click on execute button. When you click on this execute button, again the system will navigate us to the new window. Now, here if you see, my document 52 is open with the amount of 9,000. Let's post the residual payment for one of the document with the amount of 4,000 to the document number 52. I will switch back to the already existing session where I posted the invoice. And then I'll enter /F-07 in command screen and I'll just hit enter. Yes, in this screen, enter the document date, document type, and here the document type as KZ, company code as ABCC, currency as INR, and under the bank data, you have to enter the account number of bank, that is 1, okay? This time, I'll make the residual payment of 4,000. So, here enter the amount as 4,000 and then enter the account number which is open. In our case, it is provisional salary account, that is 10001, and then click on process open items button. So here to make the residual payment, what you have to do is you have to just click on this residual payment tab. What you have to do? You have to just click on this residual payment tab. Here you will see the open line with 9,000. What is that? There is an open line with 9,000. Now observe here very carefully. Right now the system is showing the open item value as minus 9,000. That is credit. What it is? It is credit. Against this field, here we need to enter the amount that will be left out once the payment is posted. So when we post this payment, for this the journal entries is the provisions of salary account debit and bank account credit. What it is? It is provisions of salary account debit and bank account credit. Since we are making the debit of amount 4,000, then what is the amount we need to enter in this field? Yes, so what is the amount we need to enter in this field? So let me put this in the plain sheet. Provisions of salary account as of now, it is 9,000 credit, that is minus 9,000. Now after posting this payment, it is 4,000 debit, that is 4,000 plus. So the residual payment is minus 9,000 plus 4,000, which is equal to minus 5,000. Hence, we need to enter minus 5,000 in this field and just hit enter. What do you have to do? You have to press the enter key. Observe the fields, that is amount assigned and amount entered are same. Now just click on the save button. What happened? The document is now posted. What it is? It is the document is now posted. I will now switch to my another session where I had kept open with the FBL3N report. Here, go to list and click on refresh. Now, if you observe, a new document is created. What happened? A new document is created. That is the document number 53 with the amount as 5,000 open. You can also observe that the previous document is cleared with our residual payment document. what I'll do is I'll just switch back to my another session and make another payment posting of remaining 5,000 rupees against my new residual document 53, and let's see that effect. Okay. So in this screen, enter the document date, document type as KZ, company code as ABCC, currency as INR, and under the bank data, enter the account number of bank, that is 1, and this time I'll make the remaining payment, that is 5,000. Okay. Now enter the account number which is open. In our case, it is provisional salary account, that is 10001, and then click on process open items button. If you observe, that is the amount entered and the amount assigned are same. What is that? The amount entered and the amount assigned are same. And now just click on the save button. So the document is now posted. All the payments are cleared. So guys, I hope you are now clear with the residual payment scenario. In real scenario, the usage of partial payment or residual payment is completely based on the organizational requirement. So here let me give you an example. Let's say if the organization is using the partial payment and there is a payment pending of 100,000. If the company generates the payment in the small denominations of 2,000, that is in the small amounts to the vendor, then the open item list will have huge number of lines for each document, that is in FBL3 and report. But if the company uses the residual payment, then each document will have only one line as open. Again, it is completely based on the organizational requirements. Actually, this partial and residual payments concept works for all the process like customer, vendor, asset, etc. The list go on. So, this is one of the widely used functionality as an end user in a business.